Researching your local history is a great idea for both solving problems and learning. But how do you start?
Could I go to the library and look myself up in the old newspaper archives?
Historical research is vital for a multitude of reasons. It preserves memories, informs our present, and can potentially guide our future. By engaging in historical research, we unearth the actions, thoughts, and experiences of those who came before us, allowing us to understand the context of our current world. This exploration into the past is crucial for scholars, students, and the public to gain perspective on the evolution of societies, cultures, and knowledge. Local history research is an enriching and vital pursuit that allows us to uncover the threads of our community's past, connecting them to the broader tapestry of regional, national, and global history. Exploring local history provides context to our current place in the world, informs our community identity, and fosters an appreciation for the events and individuals that have shaped our region. Local history research empowers us to understand the unique social, economic, and cultural developments that have influenced our community. From the settlement patterns of indigenous peoples and early pioneers to the impact of agricultural advancements and educational initiatives, local history tells the story of who we are. It aids in preserving the memory of local traditions, commemorates community achievements, and provides lessons from past challenges and triumphs. Using a university archive for historical research involves several key steps.
Recovered from the archives of the Empire, but we need the last piece.
Define your research topic by making a clear outline of what you want to investigate. A well-defined research question will guide your work and help archivists assist you more effectively. Conduct initial research using secondary sources to gain background knowledge on your topic. This will help you make better use of the primary sources available in the archives. Reach out to the archive staff with your research topic and questions. Staff can inform you about the relevant collections and how to access them. Schedule a visit to the archives if necessary. Some materials may be accessible online, but others will require an in-person examination. Archives typically organize collections with finding aids, detailed guides that describe the contents of a collection and its organizational structure. Archival materials are often rare and fragile. Handle all items with care, following the guidelines provided by the archives. Document your findings meticulously. Note the collection name, box, and folder numbers for future reference and citations. If you need copies of documents or photographs, ask the archive staff about their reproduction services and policies. Properly cite the archival materials used in your research. Accurate citations allow others to locate the sources and validate your research.
When I was going through the Smith archives, I came across some of your stories that were published in the college journal.
Don't hesitate to seek help from the archives staff throughout your research process. They are there to help you navigate the collections and interpret the materials. University archives typically house a wide range of resources that serve as primary sources for historical research. These may include institutional records are documents related to the history and operation of the university, such as charters, minutes, correspondence, and reports. Manuscripts are personal papers, letters, diaries, and manuscripts of notable individuals connected to the university or local community. Photographs are images documenting the university's history, including events, buildings, and notable individuals. Audiovisual materials are recordings of interviews, lectures, campus events, and oral histories that capture the voices and sounds of the past. University publications are yearbooks, newspapers, newsletters, and alumni magazines that reflect student life and university news. Theses and dissertations are research conducted by students that can provide in-depth information on a wide array of topics. Special collections are rare books, artworks, and artifacts that may relate to specific areas of study or the university's history. Digital archives are digitized versions of any of the above, as well as born digital materials that originated in electronic formats.
I must admit that I was intrigued enough to actually go and look for it, but when I checked the evidence archives, it was gone.
By leveraging these rich and varied resources, researchers can construct a narrative of the past, contribute to the collective understanding of history, and find insights that resonate with contemporary issues. University archives are not just repositories of information. They are active spaces where the past is preserved and interrogated, and where history is brought to life.